So I'm pretty sure many of you have heard me talk about that I'm going to put a mini split heat pump in the house rather than use the big old gigantic 2-ton cube of a heat pump that's broke down on me back there. To repair that one around the house there, and I can give you a quick look at it so you'll know what I'm talking about. By the way, there's a little beauty queen sitting out here on the patio in the sunlight. Hey, beauty queen. Ah, she's like a mermaid.
Sun's way over there now.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm not sitting behind the, not behind the tree.
You want me to move the tree?
It's moving. But you know what?
What?
Look at the ocean.
Oh, look at you. Oh,
Oh, there
oh,
we go.
oh,
Right in my eyes.
oh.
That's a great long bench.
Yeah. Oh. So as I was saying, this thing broke down. The cost to repair this thing is $5,000. We put the little window unit in, which cost $600, and that actually is cooling the house just fine. But because we want a heat pump that will cool and heat the house, I bought, instead of repairing that thing, this mini split. This is a Mr. Cool unit. They are advertised as a do-it-yourself and a plug-and-play unit, which means you just put it in and plug it in, and you don't have to hire a heat vac guy to come and work on it. Well, I called. This was to sell on my local marketplace, and I called the guy, and it turned out he was in Kentucky, and he said the plug-and-play unit was $600 more than this. This cost me right at $1,000. The plug-and-play unit would have been $1,600 and some change. And he said, if you can just follow instructions, you can install this yourself, and you don't have to get a heat vac guy out here. And I've watched enough of these things online to know that basically this comes with a pre-charged condenser, meaning it's already got the cold juice in it, and pretty much it looks like about all you have to do is siphon out the vacuum from the line. And he even sent me the little pump to do that with. So today and tomorrow and the next day, and for however long it takes, I'm going to be installing this baby. It's going to go, the inside part is going to go right between the windows in here, and this outside part, I've got like 16 feet of cable to reach it, so I may put the outside part over there somewhere, get it out of the way so that if we're out here having a picnic on the patio, it won't be it won't be, taking up space. And by getting it down there, I can get it pretty much well out of the way. This hose wire that's sitting here is the wire that was originally connected to the heat pump. That's a 220 20 amp heat pump, and this is a 220 unit here, so that should be more than ample power. And I'm going to be taking the box off the back of the house and moving it around here. So I'm going to probably not talk about this too much. I might open the box and let you look in there, and give you a little bit of a view of me putting up the inside part that will go inside the house. But I don't want to make a ridiculously long video. I'd kind of like to keep it short. So in that desire, I'll stop talking, and I'll come back in a little bit. Love y'all. Bye. So when I open up the little box, it comes with a little bottle of what would have one time been called Freon. I think nowadays I don't know if they still call it the same thing, but I know they've changed the formula so that it isn't harmful to the environment. But that's what's in that little box. So we can set this little box over out of the way, and then we'll open this box. Oh, the joy. Installation manual. Oh, the joy. Oh yes, I'm going to read the instructions. I sure am. User's manual. Okay. Safety precautions, accessories, installation summary, parts overview. So I'm going to want the installation summary, and then the indoor unit installation, which is right there. So Y'all come along with me. We'll go inside. I did say that I would keep this short, but you know, I am prone to not necessarily lie, but sometimes not represent the truth in a factual manner. But heck, you know, if you voted for a president that does that kind of thing, you can certainly be okay with me. All right? All right.